Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Rashi Goel, and in this video we are going to solve this equation when 343 power is 3x minus 4 is equals to under root 7, and we have to find the value of x. So let's start with today's video. So we are going to focus on 343. So we can write 343 as 7 times 7 times 7. Or we can say it as 7 power 3. So in place of 343, I'll write 7 power 3 and whole power is 3x minus 4 is equals to, we can write under root 7 as 7 power 1 by 2. Now we know the property of exponent that x power m power n is equals to x power mn. So we are going to apply this here. So 7 power, we multiplied by 3. 3 times 3 is minus 12 is equals to 7 power 1 by 2. Now both the bases are equal, so the powers are also equal. So 9x minus 12 is equals to half. So 9x equal half plus 12. So 9x equal, take the LCM, it's 2, 1 plus 24. So 9x equal 25 over 2. So 9x equal 25 over 2. And the value of x is 25 over 2 times 9. That is 25 by 80. That's how you can solve this type of problem. So first focus on the base, try to make them equal and then find the value of x. I hope you find it useful. Please don't forget to like, share and comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much.